lonely nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never stop. Two silhouettes on the concrete step. We watch the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. This could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Black moon, don't be sad. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind to the stars. One day you'll fly alone. Oh, oh, oh.
I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. You had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face, like the way you look at me. 'Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, 'cause you were friends since you were kids, and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so...
just a moment ago. Didn't know that perfectly go. Kept following birthday view.